Today, I'm going to be making some Glam candle holders. Very reasonable. One of my subscribers mentioned that she doesn't have the funds to go out and spend big money on items for her home. I understand, because neither do I. I think even if I had the money, I know me, I'm always frugal, so I would keep that money in my pocket if I can DIY. So I get you. This project for each candle holder probably is going to be, I want to say, around $5 or less. I got this glass from Dollar Tree. And I bought that before they went up to $1.25. And I have this candle holder that I got from Hobby Lobby. I always catch these candle holders when they're on sale. Using those two items. I'm also using some pink apple burl paint. I'm using some bling ribbon that I got from Amazon, and my hot glue gun, along with some fix-all adhesive. So we're going to get started here. First, I'm going to take the apple burl paint, and I just want just a little bit down at the bottom of the glass.
Look my way, I've been patient. Found you here, it's no accident. Subtle cues, follow you where you're going. Don't be wasting my time, I won't be chasing. Call my name, no strangers, I know your face.
I'm gonna tell you, trying to get just one little section painted on the inside of the glass, it's not easy, but it's doable. I'm going to let those dry. Then I'm going to go back in with a second and probably a third coat. And I'm going to work on the next step, which is putting some bling ribbon around the edge of this candle dish. I'm going to put just a little bit of fix-all on the end.
Why you here? What's your reason? Is it fate? Are you seeking? I've been lost, I've been waiting. They look at my way, my what you needing. Call my name, no strangers, I know your face. I'll play your games, darling. You dare me into the dark, I'm daring you to call my name. Just call my name.
An easier technique than using the sponge brush was to squeeze a lot of paint on the inside of the glass, then roll it back and forth to cover the bottom section of the glass. I did have a little paint to run into the section past where I was placing the ribbon, and I cleaned it up with some Goo Gone. I measured the bling ribbon to make sure I was covering the paint line. The paint is still drying, but I'm going to go ahead and add some Glam ribbon While I'm waiting on the pink candle holders to dry, I'm going to tell you how I made these also. I didn't do these on camera, and I did these a while ago. And this is a glass from 99 cents only, and a glass bowl from Dollar Tree. And you may be able to find some glass similar to this at Dollar Tree, but I just wanted one to be just a little bit taller than the regular glasses and kind of flare out at the bottom, which this one did. And then what I did, I mixed up some of my Glam glitter with some green in it. And I took some Elmer's clear glue and put it all around the inside of this glass. I let it dry just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. Then I sprinkled the glitter on the inside, and I kept moving it around like this until I got it fully covered the way I like. Then I glued the Dollar Tree bowl on top, and I wanted this to be a permanent hold. And then I just embellished it with 2 strands of the rhinestone wrap in 4 places around here. Now, originally, when I made this, I was gonna make my own candle to put in it. But after I finished it, I decided to do something else with it. And let me show you what I did. But before I show you what I put on the inside of it, I made one this size, and then I made one just a little bit taller. And I took one of the Dollar Tree little dessert bowls, and it's cloudy like that, like frosty looking. It's because I used some super glue to glue it to the base of the Dollar Tree bowl. I wanted to have a little different look, and that's how I achieved that. I'm taking some greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby, a succulent that I got from Dollar Tree or either Hobby Lobby, and a pine cone. I'm taking the greenery that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just putting it in the bowl where it's coming down. The succulent, putting it on the side, and putting the pine cone in. And I think that looks so much prettier than just putting a candle in there. I have a lot of candles already in my living room, so this gives it a different look.
Look my way, I've been patient. Found you here, it's no accident. Subtle cues follow you where you go.
The paint is now dry in there. It turned out absolutely beautiful. Now I'm gonna glue these 2 pieces together. And because I want this to be a permanent hold, I'm using some Fix All adhesive with a little bit of hot glue.
Look my way, I've been patient. Found you here, it's no accident. Subtle cues follow you where you go. Don't be wasting my time, I won't be chasing. Call my name, no stranger to know your face. I'll play your games, darling, and then into the dark. I'm daring you to call my name. Just call my name. Call my name. Just call my name. here? What's your reason? Is it fate? Are you seeking? I've been lost, I've been waiting. They look at my way, my what you needing. Call my name, no strangers, I know your face. Oh, play your games, darling. You dare me into the dark. I'm daring you to call my name. Just call my name.
Thank you so much for coming back to the channel to watch another beautiful DIY. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. And I've got a lot of new subscribers this month. Thank you guys. I generally go and check to see if you have a channel. And if you do, and I like your content, I become your friend also. So thank you so much, guys. And remember, you should be living in peace, especially if you're a senior citizen. If you have anyone in your life that's disturbing your peace, your happiness, your joy, get rid of them. You're in your golden years. You should be having a wonderful, peaceful life. Enjoy and be blessed. Oh, and remember to subscribe and leave me a comment, guys.
Look my way, I've been patient. Found you here, it's no accident.